Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Amazon Prime Video app to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So I'm going to install the Prime app without Google Play Store, and what I'm going to use is just my browser. This can work with any browser, so try it on your browser and let me know the results. So go over to your browser and you type in the name of the application, which in this case is the Amazon Prime app download. So I just go over here and type in it, all of these. I already have in my suggestions. I'm not going to type it. Amazon Prime app download. So as you search this is the result you're going to see. And as you can see on my screen, the first option is what you're looking for. So you can go over here and click on the first option and you can install to your Android TV over here. Now, this also depends on the version of your Android TV. This option can work, or the first option or the second option can also work. You can go over here and click on this second option, which is more designated for TV, but it is not installing on my Android TV version. It's not compatible. They say your device is not compatible with this version. So the version of the application is not compatible on my device, but the first one is compatible. So you can try it on your Android TV. If it is compatible, then that is good for you. If it's not, you can install the first option. But if for some reason you don't see the first option that leads to the web version of Google Play Store, they can come over to this other option here, that is a third-party website where you can install the same application. So you just go over here, click on it once. It's going to bring you to a web page of the application of up to down. It's a trusted third-party site. You can use it to install other applications if you don't install them from Google Play Store. But for me, the best option is the Google Play version. So you can go over here and make sure to install the application from here, because this is the best and safest option to install the application. Just click here and install, and the application will be downloaded and installed to my Android TV. And that's how to install the application without any issues. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.